Taboo Smash, thank you for that $5. Appreciate you. Says, what do you think about web development industry? Okay, look, Taboo, I'm probably not the right person to ask for this, but I'll just give you my 10 cents. Web development industry, you can make cash on it, but it's a very saturated market. It just seems very saturated. And in the US, for a person in the US, it's a very saturated market. But if you can find a niche, like for example, one niche would be if you did web development specifically for sites like mine where I'm teaching, I'm willing to pay somebody good money for that, like to help me develop my site. I'm not a web developer, right? If you have the eye for it and you happen to be super talented at it, you got a dope portfolio, you can make crazy money doing this, especially if you're in a niche market. Like I said, like one niche market for web developer would be if you develop web pages for like my market, which is teaching, right? For just Thinkific, Teachable, those kinds of sites. You specifically make web development for those and you have a portfolio and it's a niche market, then yeah. Another one would probably be, another niche market might be like DeFi sites, like those DeFi, like Sushi Swap or something. I bet you they might be looking for a web developer. Another thing you could probably look into that I don't see many people doing is offering security services. If you know this kind of thing, offering security services for websites. I don't see a lot of people doing that, and I've needed that several times. And a couple times, years ago, one of my sites got hacked. I used to have all these blogs, and one of my sites it just kept getting hacked, right? And I'm like, what is going on? And it turns out the actual the hosting company there's something wrong with the hosting company, so I had to move myself off of it. But anyway, I had to pay these guys hundreds of dollars to clean this thing up, right? Hundreds of dollars to clean my site up. And I started doing it on my own. Like, it was so expensive. But that's something you should probably consider too, is web development, maybe web development with security on the side. If you can do that, if it's your skill set, oh man, I'm sure that would be hot. Especially if you like went on Fiverr and said, look, not only do I do web development, but I also will look at the security. I'll scan your system or whatever. I don't know how you would do that. I don't know what tool you would use. But if you could do that, that would be fire. I'm sure that would be a hell of a market. Niche web development markets, I think, would be hot. Right. But other than that, if you're just doing plain web development for like WordPress or something, there's just too many of those guys out there. And there's somebody in Bangladesh who'll do it for $5 there's somebody in Bangladesh who'll do an incredible job. They're a genius at it. And they'll do it for $5 where you're asking for $3,000, right? So who am I going to choose? Who could, let me see. Who am I going to, you know what I mean? All right, guys, that's it. I got to go. I'm going to go watch this movie called Free Guy with the family. I'll let you guys know how it is. So thank you guys for your questions. Appreciate the $5, Taboo. Again, if you guys want to contact me about anything whatsoever, I can't promise I'll get to it immediately, but I will try. Look in the description below. You'll see my contact information for my site, the community. I'm doing this series right now where I'm answering questions with videos, and I'm not editing it. I'm just doing the video and I post it, and then I'm going to edit it later, right? And it'll come out like 3 months from now or something, but you'll see it first on that site unedited. And then another place you can contact me is Discord. Sign up for Discord, ask questions, post jobs. Sometimes I'll post jobs that people are sending to me that I don't need. So there's jobs there. There's Q&A for me or for other people who are skilled, and just building up a community here. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching.